In today's tutorial, we are learning how to add end screens to our YouTube videos using our mobile phone. Hey, I am the Virtual Giant, and if you are ready and excited for this tutorial, then stick around. So we are going to use our Google Chrome to access the YouTube studio, but make sure that you have logged into the Google Chrome with the email address you used to set up that particular YouTube channel. So now you may want to tap the three dots up there to set the Google Chrome to desktop site. So check the box beside desktop site, and then you'll be presented with Google Chrome in desktop mode. In the address bar, type studio.youtube.com. Mind you, we are not going to use the YouTube Studio app because it won't give us the options that will help us use the end screen on our YouTube videos. So we are using the desktop version. As you can see, we've been brought to our YouTube Studio desktop version, and I must warn you that it is quite difficult navigating through, moving around, but you can use your two fingers to, zoom in and zoom out. So at this point, we are zooming to the left side of the screen. So here you click on content, and all the videos you've posted on your channel pop up. So there you go. These are all your videos. You can zoom out and have a proper look like I'm doing. Swipe left and right to check out other stuff. The next thing to do is to tap on the title of the exact video you wish to add the end screen to. So you can see that the details of the video are showing: the title, the tags, the hashtags, the description and everything. Even the thumbnail is showing right there. But if you look carefully underneath where the thumbnail is, there are some options there. That is where we're going to work. So you can see end screen, you can see other stuff right there. So because we are working with the end screen, that is what we are selecting. I will encourage you to subscribe to my channel at this moment if you haven't done so, and also don't forget to like this video so that the YouTube algorithm will know that it is a good content and push it to more people, just so you can also motivate me. You realize that we have been served with a variety of end screens. So there you go. You can see the templates right there. So it is up to you to choose from what is given to you, or you can actually customize your own version. So you can see one video, one playlist, etc., or even import from the previous video. So what this means is that whatever end screen you use for your previous video, you can just tap on that particular template, and then everything would be transferred to this very new video you wish to add an end screen to. But I do not want to use the template for the previous video. I want to customize my own. So that is what I want to do. But let me demonstrate to you. Let me use the two videos at the bottom right corner and see how it goes. So you see, as I tapped on the existing template, it has been put on the other video, and this is going to show in the last 20 seconds of the video. So if you watch every video to an end, that is exactly what you will encounter, the end screen. In the end screen, you can use your website, you can put in your courses that you are selling, or even free courses, or anything that can link someone to a different video. In that way, you keep your audience glued to your channel. So let's get to work. Let me customize my own version of the end screen. So I will tap on any portion of the canvas you are seeing right there. I will then select my desired option from the dialog box that has appeared there. Here we have video, we have subscribe, we have channel, we have playlist, etc. So I will choose the one which goes well. I chose a video, and if you look at the left hand side, there are options where you can actually select a particular video, a specific video, a video that you recently uploaded, or you let YouTube decide for your viewer the kind of video they will show in the end screen. I will tap on an empty space once again, and then this time around select playlist. I have about 3 playlists, but I'll select the Make Money Online tutorial. Use your two hands to position the end screens very well so that they do not fall on each other, because if it does, it will not work. So you see portions have turned red, meaning they are overlapping, and YouTube does not accept that, so it will not work. Just make sure they are far apart from each other. The very next thing I'll do is to add a subscribe button, and it will come in the form of my channel icon. So whoever clicks on my channel icon automatically subscribes to my channel. So I'll try and then find somewhere to fix it so that it sits well in the video. So folks, this is how to add an end screen to your YouTube video. And the very last thing to do is to tap on the save button up there, and everything will be added onto the video in the last 20 seconds. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. I am the Virtual Giant. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.